Well, any tips on how people should get started with calling and IVRs for help desk? If maybe they're new to using calling as a channel or new to help desk, where should they get started?
Yeah, so there's two parts to this, and this may be contrary if you watch any of the other clips where I talk about the IVR structure. The structure is a little bit different from getting started, so I just want to preface that.
Mm.
But to get started in help desk is actually pretty seamless. So it's going to start by setting up your help desk channel in help desk settings. As you're going through the channel connection flow, your phone number acquisition, your working hours, voicemail, users, teams, everything is set up in that channel connection flow. So it's pretty seamless. And then once you set up the help desk channel connection, the next step that I recommend, you can put this as like step 1.A. The next step is going to go into your call settings. If you go under tools, call setup. And the reason why I like to send users here is really making sure that you're looking at your individual users and seeing that they are set up correctly with the right numbers, they're in the right places, and they have the right call settings. So when we talk about the full team process of using calling channels with IVR, the help desk is set up, the users are set up, and then the last step is plugging that into the IVR. So once your teams are all structured, plug that right in the IVR. IVR setup is also accessed in calling, so you can do tools, call setup, IVR, and call settings. And you're going to have an entry phone number. From the entry phone number, you're going to be able to select your keypad options. With this is where you can customize your menu. Press 1 for support, press 2 for Atlanta team, and or you can also import your own custom if you have a really cool voice. So you can do all of that in just a few clicks inside the IVR setup. And then the last is just a few clicks of setting up your help desk connection to the Ring 2 or the individual users to the Ring 2. So that's a lot of steps. These are outlined inside of our KBs, and we hope to share some more enablement materials later this year so that teams can get started from A to Z with HubSpot calling.